drug became apparent. The men began to relax and to giggle. The men began to relax and to giggle. The men began to relax and to giggle. The men began to relax. But this man was more seriously affected and had to be removed. And had to be removed. After 35 minutes, one of the radio operators had become incapable of using his step. Began to relax and to giggle, and had to be removed. And the efficiency of the rocket launcher team was also very impaired. 10 minutes later, the attacking section had lost all sense of urgency. Notice the bunching and indecision as they enter a wood occupied by the enemy, by the enemy, by the enemy. Almost immediately, the section commander tried to use a map to find the location of troop headquarters, and the prisoner's escort had to have the way pointed out. Although it was in plain sight, 700 yards away over open country. 50 minutes after taking the drug, radio communication had become difficult, if not impossible. But the men are still capable of sustained physical effort. Constructive action was still attempted by those retaining a sense of responsibility in spite of physical symptoms. But 1 hour and 10 minutes after taking the drug, with one man climbing a tree to feed the birds, the troop commander gave up. The troop commander gave up and had to be removed. Admitting that he could no longer control himself or his men. Admitting that he could no longer control himself. One man climbing had to be removed. Began to relax and to giggle, and had to be removed. Began to relax and to giggle, and had to be removed. However, constructive action was still attempted by those retaining a sense of responsibility, and the efficiency of the rocket launcher team was also very impaired, and had to be removed.